My staccato technique is this way. Your staccato technique is this way. A thing about staccato, for me, I use a different technique. Your staccato is good, so I'm not worried yet. If we get to some, hora staccato or something like that and we have a problem, then we'll work on it. My staccato technique is this way. Your staccato technique is this way. It's fine. But when I am playing staccato, I can only use up until here. Yeah? This part of the bow is very good for spiccato, for brush stroke, for collé, for martelé, but this part is good for string crossings, it's good for staccato, it's good for ricochet. If you want to practice my method, so I do. My staccato is not very good, but I can use it. When I was your age, I had no staccato. I had to teach this to myself because everyone always said, tense up the arm and go, and I could never do that. I know my method works because I have taught 6 kids one of whom was serious. One of my students was serious, and the others were all casual students. They just play for fun, and then they graduate high school, and then they do something else. 5 of them successfully learned a really, really good staccato, better than mine, right? The girl who was playing Paganini yesterday, Connie, her staccato is better than mine. It's not always under her control, but when she is warmed up, she can do faster and more clear than I can. One of my first serious students, Armand, he was trying to play Introduction in Rondo. And in the staccato passage, right? That was terrible, by the way. In that passage, he couldn't do it at all. So I did this method with him. Right? And in 20 minutes, in one lesson, he developed up bow and down bow staccato. I don't know how. I showed him this. He was able to do. I gave him hora staccato. And down bow too. Right? So the method works if you give it time. If you are not worried, when you see a passage staccato in a piece, if you are not worried, great, leave it alone. But if you want to practice it, your thumb is the middle of a seesaw. It is a fulcrum. When you have this, right? This point is the fulcrum of the seesaw. So your thumb acts like that, and then the 2 sides of the seesaw are your index finger and your pinky. Right? The pinky wants to return to the bow. So this is the natural position for the hand. This is the affected. This is the activated muscles position. It's like a hiccup. No. Chop off. You're scooping up, right? The bow moves like a piece of celery or a carrot. And the hand is like a hibachi chef. Okay? So what does the chopping? This finger. I'm not scooping up ice cream. I'm chopping vegetables.